Hey, what's fine guys? I'm Max and this is Maximum Drone. Today I'm in Quebec City. Why? Because it's my birthday, that's why. And also because I wanted to film this beautiful castle. It's called the Château Frontenac in Quebec City. So we're gonna see up in the air, but we have something different also. There's a yellow tint in the air, the smog. It's created by the forest fires up north of Quebec. And so yeah, we'll see how it goes. We have only 2 kilometers of visibility, so it's not that great, but I'm gonna stay localized around 500 meters around the castle, so let's go for it! All right, I did all my pre-flight checks. I'm ready to fly. Let's see this castle. Well, I hope you like what you saw of the most photographed hotel in the world, Château Frontenac. And if you did, you know what to do. I won't tell you anymore, but please do. It helps a lot to build my channel. Fly safe, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.